Hello everyone, welcome to the website Education Investment. Today in this video, I'm going to share the Nodle. They have a new event to celebrate Lunar New Year, and they use a red envelope. On January 22nd, this red envelope will be alive. So right now, you cannot use it yet, but I'm going to show you how to download the app and how to use the app and get ready for that red envelope. And so of course, for those of you who watch my video, if you leave the address, I'm going to send you some Nodle as well. The Lunar New Year is celebrated by more than 2 billion people, and normally people use a red envelope, especially in Asia area, to their family and friends. Nodle is a parachain in Polkadot. They leverage Bluetooth low energy via millions of smartphones and routers to allow smart cities to connect IoT. And so here is their website. From this website, you can see that almost everyone, if you have the smartphone, you can be the node, become the node in the Nodle. And so that's a decentralized network made up of millions of smartphones. You just need to download the app. You don't need to buy any additional hardware, anything. And then your node, you can connect device within the network. You will receive rewards based on connectivity and availability. So the only thing I can see which is similar to this one is a Pi network. But Nodle, they already have their product. And they are on the Polkadot ecosystem. So the Connect to Earn app rewards you with Nodle tokens. And this is their product. I'm going to show you how to use the app. You can get the rewards when you just leave your smartphone open. So first of all, I'm using the Android, so I'm going to download that from the Google Play. Of course, if you use iOS, you can also download the Nodle app. And after I download, I can open that. If it's the first time, you can create a new wallet. If you already have the wallet, you can import existing wallet. So I'm going to just create the new wallet, and you need to make sure you keep it safely, and then just start earning the Nodle. That's it. When you click the button, it will start to earn the Nodle. Of course, you need to provide the location service, and you have to allow that. And after that, you will see that the pending rewards, it's going to connect to other smartphone with the Nodle app, right? And they will reward you. So after a few hours, you can see that I already earned 0.56 Nodle token. And so this is just get it for free. You don't need to actually do anything. And so you can send, you can receive the Nodle token, and if you just top up, and you can click receive, and you will have your address. And so for those of you who watch the video, if you want to get your public address and send it, comment this video, I'm happy to send you some Nodle. So now I get some Nodle, I will send it. I just experiment, send it to one address, and I put some Nodle, and just click next and click send. And it will just need to take a little bit time, and it will be sent. There is also NFT, so if you click that, you can mint your own NFT in several clicks. Actually, just take a picture and add a title, and you can mint. And so I will just take a picture for my logo, and I added my title, and after that, just click start meeting. It will cost around 100 Nodle as a connection fee. That's one time. In the future, you don't need to pay any fee like that, and a little bit of fee for the minting. And so overall, just show you how to use the Nodle app, and also the red envelope function will be there on January 22nd. And so please comment your address if you want to get some Nodle token from me, and let's celebrate the Lunar New Year. Happy New Year to all of you. Bye.